Did you know that Jamaicans consumed patties differently from the rest of the world? Okay, watch ya. Jamaicans consume a patty when hot. No shame, just survival tactics. The corner test bite. You nibble a tiny piece from one corner of horse. If steam nearly takes off your face, you pause, but you still keep going. They blow on it like your cooling soup method. One blow, two blow, bite anyway. Still hot, still eating. The wrapper shield method. You leave the patty halfway in the paper bag or foil and use it as protection so the heat doesn't burn your fingers. The quick bite and chew fast method. You take a fast bite, chew like your life depends on it, then slightly open your mouth to let air in. You break the patty in half and let the steam escape like you're releasing pressure from a pot. The sip something after move. Bite, burn, immediately wash it down with a drink. Cola, champagne, bag juice, water, anything nearby. The patience that never lasts. You tell yourself, me have a wait till it cool. 30 seconds later, you're eating it anyway. Yeah man, that is it.